number one, we found a very old Harley front end of some sort, or a custom job, because the neck is still on the stem and it doesn't seem to have been welded to anything. No weld marks on it. Not sure if anybody recognizes this front end, but the garage with the WLC or WLA is a lot further, and we're going to wait for the call on that. We'll see if it happens. I'm sort of losing faith in that, but we went and dug this out of garage storage that was closer. That's free. Sounds like a dual helicopter. Anyways, we got this Matchless tank, which I guess is about a 56 or 57. Bondo, I think, here. Dented. Quite solid though. Surface rust. It's rust inside too. Looks like it's been repaired a few times over the years. Here especially. And here maybe. I don't know what to do with that. I don't have a Matchless. But salvage and better than car parts. We'll find out what's going on with the windfall Harley Davidson, I guess, in the next few days. There's no rush in the older guy. I don't want to push him on it. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, well, it's a good thought.